So here is how you can import a PDF into your Kindle app on the iPad. Let's begin. So if you're new on this Foxtecc channel, make sure you are subscribed to it because you're not going to miss any future tutorials then. So what you need to do at first is to locate your PDF file. Most likely it's going to be part of your Files app. And you can just hold down on it for more options to appear. You then press the share button right there, and you can see a bunch of different ways and apps which you can share it to. So scroll through the apps as usual. If you don't see the Kindle app, tap on more and it will show you an additional extensive list of apps where you should most definitely find the Kindle app. So when you then tap on Kindle, obviously you need to have the Kindle app downloaded on your iPad and be signed into it. But once you have all this, you can then just click the Kindle again as I'm showing you, and it will be saved in there. So you are going to type in the title, the author's name, and some other things as well, and you can just add it to your library like this. So that's very useful. It will then be downloadable on other devices, like even if you have your physical like Kindle device e-reader, then you'll be able to download it there. So it's going to be very useful. It's just going to be part of your Kindle library at this point. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching and hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you later.